Hello everyone, good morning. I believe you are all doing great. We are learning about line types today. Before you draw any line, you have to go to your draw panel. It is here. You've seen the draw panel. You pick your line, and when you pick line, we actually need just line, not polyline or any of the others. So you pick line. The command prompt says specify first point. So on the screen, we start from anywhere on the screen. I've mentioned to you that when you are drawing and you see your crosshairs not giving you vertical and horizontal directions, you press F8. That is auto, and it says auto on. That will give you horizontal and vertical only. Good. So we've specified the point. Let me escape and let's start again. So I pick my line tool. I specify first point anywhere on my screen. I click, and it's asking specify next point. The length of our line should be 20 meters or that is 20,000 millimeters. So we type in 20,000, enter. Let's draw another line again. So you pick the line command. It says specify first point. I click on my screen and it goes all the way, but we need just 20 meters. So we type in 20,000, enter. That is the end of our line. So you press escape so that you can go out of the command. Now we need two other lines so that we can complete the number of lines that we are creating. So what do? You can copy this line, any of these lines. So you click on copy and it says specify base point. You click on wherever you want to select the item from. You click over here, then you paste it here. You can paste another one here. You can paste another one there. You want to change the properties of each of the lines from the line types that we are studying. If you want to change the property, you double click on the line. It opens here. Let me close it. Escape. What you can also do is you click on the line and then you right click, and then come down, you see properties. Click on properties. It opens up for you. We want to change the line type that we have over here. So at the properties panel, go down. You see color. That's not what you are looking for. You see layer. That's not what you are looking for. You see line type. Line type. That is what we want to change, right? So click at the line type over here, not this. Click on the line type over here. There are different line types you can see. Look, it changes. The first one you see here is center 2. This is continuous. This is dashed. This is demolished line. This is hidden 2. This is phantom 2. The line types are a lot.